How to delete a tag on System.io all-in-one platform. How to delete a tag. In this article, you will learn how to delete tags that are no longer needed. What you will need: a System.io account, a tag, how to create a tag, viewing your tags, to display a list of all the tags that you created. Click on Contacts from the menu bar, then on Tags, number 1 in the image. Deleting a tag. Find the tag you want to delete, hover the cursor over the 3 dots. And then click on Remove, number 2 in the image. Finally, click on Confirm, number 3 in the image, to permanently delete the tag. Did this answer your question? We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://10year-old.com/review System.io. Find more details at https://help-system.io/article/309 how to delete